Hey there, cybersecurity warriors. Did you know over 90% of cyber attacks start with a phishing email? Today, I'm showing you how to spot phishing scams before they reel you in. What's phishing? It's when hackers pretend to be someone you trust to steal your info, like passwords or bank details. They're sneaky, but don't worry, we'll stop them together. There are different kinds of phishing. Email phishing, fake emails asking for your data. Smishing, dodgy links sent to your phone. Spear phishing, personalized scams designed to trick you. Suspicious links, check the URL. Errors, watch out for bad grammar. Urgent messages, don't rush into anything. Stay smart and safe. Always double-check emails, use two-factor authentication, and never click on unknown links. See you next time.